the Iron Trader. It is Monday morning, so it's time to go to work. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, selling stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart. Now, I've been out of the office here yesterday and today, so you only get the one video, and then on Tuesday, everything will be back to normal as usual. Okay, let's take a look here at crude oil daily chart. Now, what I've been pointing out here is this key 21 simple moving average on the upside, and it looks like we went just above it. Now what we're looking for here is this 200 SMA here sitting at 78.14. Okay, so this could be a very a crucial level here because look at here what happened in the past. See how this went right on up here, and look at this green candle right into the 200-day, and then it couldn't get through. Next day it went above, but it couldn't hold it and came right on down. So what we have to do is always watch for that reaction. Okay, so it looks like at the 21-day, we're up above it, but again, the next level is going to be that 200 SMA sitting at 78.14. Now, if we can get above that, we got that 50-day sitting right there at 78.84. And then we can rally all the way up here to that 80.22 here again. Now, when you look at this pattern here, if you watched my video last night, I was just saying the same thing. See, we had the left shoulder, your head, and the right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. That's pretty much what we got going on here. There's your left shoulder, there's your head, and here's your right shoulder. So this could go up to the 200-day or even up to this 20-day and then do some sideways action. So we've got to see how this is all going to shake out here today. Okay, so realistically, let's just check it out again. We need to close above this 21-day 77.49. That's going to be very key. Then your next level there is going to be that 78.14, and then we have your 50-day at 78.84. You pop above that, then you're going to go to your 80.22. Now, again, if we get above that here, then I'll have all these levels here for you. But what you do is just take these price channels, is bring them right across. Makes life a lot easier here until we get to this double top situation here, all the way up here at the 84.52 level. Now, your RSI here, we had that positive divergence. Now it looks like it's playing out here nicely. And look at your MACD. Okay, we had that downtrend, that sell signal momentum to the downside situation. Now it looks like the green crossed the red. So let's just see if we can push this bad boy right on up here to the 200-day. But again, we got to see how this is all going to shake out here so we don't get a series of lower highs and then she comes right on down. See, so let's look at the downside. Okay, downside right there is 21, 77.49. That's going to be very key. And then what we want to do is we want to look to the top of this candle. You're looking at 77.09, and then the bottom of today's candle, which is 76.70, which lines up very nice here with your 76.52 level. See how that nice that is? That works right across. Now, again, if that's lost, then this is your big target is going to be this 8 simple moving average at 75.51 level. So, but we've got to see how this is all going to shake out. But look how many nice green candles we have going on up here. Very nice. Now, again, the whole key is going to be a close above that 21-day and then see what the reaction is when we get to that 200 SMA. Okay, let's take a look here at natty gas. Now, natty gas here, see how this nice positive divergence, see how nicely it's playing out? See, as this is going to the downside, this is going to the upside. So this is what you always want to watch for the tail. Now, we had this MACD. This was really at the bottom. So it showed momentum just, going right off the charts here to the downside as we were coming on down. But then it flattened out nicely. And now look at that, we have a nice cross. See that green over that red? Okay, that is a buy signal. Okay, so you combine that here with the positive divergence, and we're going to go higher. Now, when we were all the way down here, this was a reversal candle. And then what you do is I just traded this nicely, like right into the 8-day, pulled it off. And then the 8-day to 21-day, and then we held this 8-day and got above this 21-day. So now we're looking here right at this 100-day. That is your resistance. Now you can see where it went right above it, but now you're sitting right into it, okay? So that's the key right now, okay? So if we can get above that, then what we're going to be looking for, if we can get above this 100-day at 2.238, then you're going to look at the top of this candle here. This is that 2.27. That's what you're looking for, and then we're going to come right up here. We have 2.285, and then we can work yourself all the way up here. You got this 2.35, which lines up very nice with the 2.357, your 200 SMA, and then you have your 50-day above it. But again, I like to show you where it could possibly go. But right now, today, what we're worried about is this 100-day. What is going to be the reaction here? We got into it, and now it can pull back. What is it going to be? Is it going to blast up through this, hit that 200-day, or it's going to come right on down? Now, when you look at this 8 SMA here, Okay, see how nice it flattened out, but now it's rolling up. If we get a crossover, that 8-day over that 21-day, that's very, very bullish and would take that price much higher. Now, remember, when you look at a seasonality chart on the old natty gas here, the first week of September, you want to be long all the way to the first week of December, and then you want to get out of that trade or short it or however you trade, okay? But right now, today, this is what you want to watch. Watch that 100-day on the upside. Okay, if we can get above that, then watch the top of these candles at 2.27, 2.28 and a half. But realistically, this 2.35 level, that 200-day, is going to be your big target. Downside, we got to watch this 21-day, 2.09, and then right below it is you have 2.07 is your 8 SMA here. So this is very, very critical sort, but it's all going to be very, very strong support too. I don't think you're going to blast through it if this comes off here on the first time. If it does, then we just follow the candles down here. Okay, so what do you have? You got 2.02 level here. We have 2.01, and then we can just start taking these candles. You got 1.97, you have 1.92, and then your big retest down here is 1.88. But right now, today, watch the 21-day on the downside, 100-day on the upside. Okay, very, very simple, very, very easy trade. Crude oil, watch that 21-day. Very, very key on a closing basis. If you can get through that, you got your 200-day, you got your 50-day, and we can zap all the way up here to that 100 SMA here. Downside, key level is going to be this 8 SMA here. This is going to be very, very crucial. But right now, you can see how bullish this is. We got a nice series of higher highs and higher lows. Looking very, very nice. Okay, that's what I got for you here today. Now remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.